to the students affected by this video. You know, in Delhi, our boys and girls were practicing and had just gone to Lodi Gardens, and they were taking photographs and making Instagram reels for themselves. And while everybody is doing it, the security guard specifically comes to our northeastern boys and girls and tells them not to make reels, speaks rudely to our women, and then tries to also push and assault a young boy because he questions him. There were other people also making reels. There were other people from other communities also doing exactly the same in Lodi Gardens in Delhi. But specifically, boys and girls from Northeast were targeted. This is not the first time. This has happened before. This will happen again. Racial discrimination and profiling of people from Northeast is clearly evident, whether it is in Delhi